Hey everyone, welcome back to Windowz Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize the taskbar in Windows 11. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Resizing the taskbar in Windows 11 is often required to improve usability and personalization. Users with smaller screens or those who prefer more desktop space might want a smaller taskbar, while others with larger displays or visual preferences may choose a larger taskbar for better visibility of icons and easier access. Customizing the taskbar size helps tailor the user interface to individual needs, enhancing the overall Windows experience. Step 1. Open the Registry Editor. First, we need to open the Registry Editor. Press Win+ on your keyboard, type regedit, and hit Enter. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to proceed. Step 2. Navigate to Taskbar Settings in the registry. Next, navigate to the following path. Hey_current_user is software, Microsoft, Windows CurrentVersion Explorer, Advanced. Right-click on the Advanced folder, select New, and then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Taskbar C. Step 3. Modify the taskbar size. Now, double-click on Taskbar C to modify it. Set the value to 0 for a small taskbar, 1 for the default size, or 2 for a larger taskbar. Click OK, close the Registry Editor, and restart your computer to apply the changes. And there you have it, your taskbar is now resized. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.